Oh, I totally whacked my head getting in here this time. You know, I swear I fixed that fucking problem when I fixed the body ground. I don't know why it's back. It's gotta be down there. Fucking bullshit. It worked so good after I fixed it last time. And now it's sat for too long, so it's just getting crusty again, I suppose. Nice. Oh yeah, it's so hard to hold your fucking vice grips once they're covered in snow. Oh, I love these premium fixes. There we go. There we go. It's wiggling. Okay. Well, I'm gonna hope. Got shit in one hand and pray in the other. Let's see which one fills up first. Handful of shit. Right. There we go. Come on. Are you getting fuel or not? I just gotta. Listen for the fuel pump for me. Come on. Why the fuck? Oh, last time I wanted to use this, it just fucking, you know, it did work. Why is it? What's your problem now? Don't make me guess. You know, every once in a while we're getting a snap, crackle, pop kind of there. So either one of the holes are deleting themselves or they're actually firing. It'd be so much easier to pay attention to what's going on if I could play with the fucking solenoid up here. But with these stupid trucks, you gotta run your fucking wire from down underneath from the starter all the way up here. It's fucking real pain in the arse. Well, it's got oil in it. Fight the fucking intake with 10,000 pounds of force there just to see in it. It's stupid. Fucking crazy. Bolts and nuts, a fairly clean filter. Well, the contents of the airbox are the same old usual. Better not have lost spark in a fucking truck, I swear to God. Where? Just inside the door here? No. You know, my brain's giving me flashbacks to where there was a can of ether sitting, but I can't see much of the background. I just remember it was on a shelf. Fuck sakes. You know, at least with a fucking diesel, you just don't have that problem. Either you have fuel or you don't have fuel, and that's the end of your issues. Okay, now one would assume, there's a diesel tractor here, that there's going to be a can of ether with it. Yeah, one would assume, but I guess we're not far enough into winter that nobody's used it yet. And nobody left the ether can laying around here yet. Where the fuck did I see it? Going inside, Barky? Right there. Perfect. Yeah, if you don't keep ether in your house, fuck's wrong with you? Yeah, keep that shit right at the front door. Yeah. In case you think this content's boring, welcome to my fucking the life of a redneck being at home. You just walk around your yard. If you don't walk around your yard, it's because you got sick of walking around your yard and you got yourself a toy to make walking easier. Okay. No more excuses now. I want to hear a bark. As soon as the ignition decides to work. Fuck, that's dog shit, man. Why is it so hard to power the starter? Oil pressure. Okay, why is it not recognizing that the key is on and giving me spark? The hell? Fuck me, man. What now?